This next-generation pocket camera is set to redefine portable filmmaking with groundbreaking advancements in design, camera performance, and smart features. If you're a vlogger, traveler, or content creator, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might be the game-changing device you've been waiting for. Larger screen and enhanced design. One of the most talked-about upgrades in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is its larger touchscreen display. Reports suggest that DJI is moving towards a 2.5-inch fully rotating touchscreen, a significant improvement over the 2-inch display on the Osmo Pocket 3. This new screen is rumored to support a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels with a brightness of 800 nits, ensuring excellent outdoor visibility even under direct sunlight. Aside from the screen, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to have a more ergonomic grip with improved button placement for intuitive control. The overall build is also said to be slightly larger and more robust, weighing around 190 grams to accommodate new features while maintaining its signature pocket-sized portability. Camera and sensor upgrades. The heart of any great camera is its sensor, and DJI is reportedly equipping the Pocket 4 with a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens. This upgrade promises significantly better low-light performance, sharper details, and an expanded ISO range from 50 to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills. In terms of color science, the Pocket 4 is expected to feature 10-bit color depth with D-Log-M and HDR recording, offering professional-grade color grading flexibility in post-production. Another exciting enhancement is the rumored phase detection autofocus, PDAF, with eye-tracking technology, reducing the focus hunting issues that some users experienced with previous models. A more powerful image processor will also enable real-time HDR previews, improved dynamic range, and higher bitrate video recording, making it an essential upgrade for filmmakers and vloggers. Advanced smart features and AI enhancements. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is set to introduce a smarter and more intuitive AI-driven feature set. One of the standout additions is ActiveTrack 7.0, combining phase detection autofocus with advanced subject tracking to ensure smooth and precise subject focus, even in fast-moving scenes. Another exciting improvement is the rumored hybrid stabilization system. DJI is reportedly blending mechanical gimbal stabilization with electronic image stabilization, EIS, to deliver ultra-smooth video footage, even in extreme conditions like high-speed action shots or rapid camera movements. Additionally, DJI is expected to enhance gesture controls, allowing users to start/stop recording, zoom in and out, or switch between modes with simple hand gestures. Video recording capabilities and frame rates. The Pocket 4 is rumored to support 4K video recording at up to 240 FPS, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of its predecessor. Other expected recording modes include 1080p at 480 FPS for ultra-slow-motion footage, 4K at 120 FPS for buttery-smooth cinematic shots, HDR video recording for improved contrast and color depth, new cinematic video modes with AI-powered enhancements. With these improvements, the Pocket 4 could be one of the most powerful compact cameras for both casual users and professional filmmakers. Battery life, charging, and heat management. Battery life has always been a crucial factor for handheld cameras, and DJI is reportedly making major improvements with the Pocket 4. The camera is expected to feature a more power-efficient processor, allowing for longer recording times despite the larger screen and more demanding features. Fast charging is also getting a boost. The Pocket 4 is rumored to support 25-minute full charging with DJI's PD charger, a step up from the 32-minute charge time of the Pocket 3. While the exact battery capacity is still unknown, it is expected to be larger than the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh battery, ensuring more shooting time per charge. Additionally, heat dissipation improvements will likely allow for longer recording sessions without overheating, making it perfect for extended shooting scenarios. Expected release date and pricing. If DJI follows its usual 3-year release cycle, we can expect the Pocket 4 to be released in late 2026 or early 2027. Pricing rumors suggest that the base model will retail at around $699, while the Creator Combo package could be priced at $799, slightly higher than the previous generation, but justifiable given the numerous upgrades. While these details are based on leaks and speculation, if even half of these features make it to production, the Pocket 4 could be the ultimate vlogging camera of the future. Upcoming DJI releases: DJI Avata 3 drone. Aside from the Osmo Pocket 4, DJI enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating the launch of the DJI Avata 3, an FPV drone that is set to redefine aerial cinematography. Building upon the success of the Avata 2, the Avata 3 is expected to introduce a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor for improved low-light performance, sharper details, and enhanced dynamic range. Other rumored improvements include extended battery life of up to 30 minutes, 360-degree obstacle avoidance system for enhanced flight safety, upgraded rock-steady and horizon-steady stabilization, O4 transmission system for better range and lower latency, more powerful motors for increased agility and speed. DJI has not officially confirmed the release date for the Avata 3, but industry insiders predict a launch window of mid to late 2025. With DJI's history of innovation, this new FPV drone is expected to be a game-changer for aerial videography and immersive drone flying. Final thoughts: what to expect from DJI's next big releases? The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and DJI Avata 3 are shaping up to be two of the most highly anticipated products in DJI's lineup. Whether you're looking for a powerful pocket-sized camera with incredible stabilization and AI features, or a cutting-edge FPV drone with extended battery life and cinematic quality footage, DJI's upcoming releases promise to deliver the best in portable content creation technology. Which feature excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned for more in-depth coverage of DJI's latest innovations. Be sure to subscribe to Technology in the Future for all the latest updates, reviews, and leaks on upcoming tech gadgets and cameras. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.